Hello, this is Alok from 2nd BSc Botany. In this assignment, we are going to see plant-animal interactions. Plants and animal interact in so many ways. One of them is mutualistic relationship. In this PPT, we are going to see phelinophily, psychophily, and cantherophily type of mutualistic relationships. Mutualism are defined as interactions between organisms of two different species in which each organism benefit from the interaction in some way. Mutualism is further classified into two categories: obligate and facultative relationship. One side where obligate mutualism promotes strict coevolution, facultative mutualism is general type of interaction. While looking for plant-animal interactions, I have met with so many type of plant interactions. Some of them are mentioned here. Phelinophily. This is mutual relationship between flower of plant and moths which ensure pollination of flower. Together with pollination of moth, I have spotted one of such interaction which we will see in next slide. As we can see in this PPT, a moth is sitting on the flowers and putting its proboscis inside the nectar tube, and it is sucking the nectar. Since entomophilous flowers have the adhesive type of pollen grains, so these pollens may stick over proboscis, and when this moth visit to another flower of same species, then it simply deposit the pollen on stigma of that flowers, and thus the pollination process gets completed. Pollination by moth is called phelinophily. We can identify moth by its habit of habit and activity in night, and also it folds its wings horizontally. Moth are paraphyletic group of insects that includes all members of order Lepidoptera that are not butterflies with moths, making up vast majority of order. Moths are usually nocturnal insects which pollinate flowers in night, but some moth species are active in daylight also, and they are pollinating day blooming flowers. Moths are having long proboscis which can easily go inside the narrow tubular flowers. Moth pollinated flowers are tubular or open type with white or light yellow colored. Some moth pollinated flowers are night blooming also. These flowers have sweet odor due to presence of sweet nectar. When moth approaches a flower in search of nectar, nectaries which are present innermost of floral structure in tubular flowers, moth inject proboscis inside the tube to drink nectar. Some pollen get attached over proboscis. While repeating this activity in another flower, moth simply pollinates flowers. Another pollination type of interaction is psychophily. Psychophily is the pollination by butterflies. It is the mutual relationship between flowers of plant and butterflies which ensure pollination of flowers together with nutrition for the butterflies. Butterflies are insects belonging to order Lepidoptera. They fold wings vertically and are diurnal insects. Butterflies interact with plants most dramatically in longer-lived larval stages. Butterflies also have long proboscis. They are guided by smell and odor of flowers. Butterflies pollinated flowers are showy and have attractive smell, and these flowers produce nectar. When a butterfly approaches to a flower to take nectar, it inserts its long proboscis in nectar tube, and then many pollen may stick around proboscis. When butterfly sits on open flowers, many pollen may stick on legs and other body part also. When same butterfly visit to another flower and repeat the activity, it simply pollinates flowers by depositing pollen grains on stigma of that flower. In next slide, we will see the video. As you can see, the butterfly is inserting its long proboscis in open flower and sucking the nectar. Also, the pollen grains are getting attached over proboscis and other legs of parts also. Uh, in uh, in the next video also we will see butterfly pollination. See the how beautifully the butterfly is dancing and collecting over uh, open flower. It's collecting the nectar and also roaming there and fluttering its wings. So many pollen may stick on the proboscis, and when it will visit another flower, it will simply deposit the flower pollen grains on the another flower's stigma. So this way pollination will be completed. Cantherophily. This is the pollination by beetles. This is the mutual relationship between flower of plant and beetles which ensure pollination of flower. Together with there will be nutrition for the beetles. Beetles are group of insects that form the order Coleoptera in superorder Indopterogota. Their front pairs of wings are hardened into wing cases called elytra, distinguishing them from most other insects. Adult beetles have two sets of wings. Both wings are covered with hard elytra. Female beetles usually lay dozens or hundreds of eggs. Most beetles only live for a year. Many beetles are diurnal and therefore the pollination is in daylight. Beetle pollinated flowers provide attractive petals and stamens to attract beetles. They don't have nectar guide but they have strong odor. Since beetles are pollen chasers, so many flowers produce numerous tasty pollens for beetles as food reward. Sometimes flowers produce two types of pollen grains. One is for pollination, which are fertile one, while other are sterile and are for tasty food. When beetle approach to a flower in search of tasty pollen by help of strong and specific odor, while they indulge in tasty diet, many fertile pollen may stick on beetles' body parts. Uh, when the same beetle will visit another flower in search of food, it will simply deposit the pollen grains on the stigma of that flower, and this way the pollination will be completed. I have attached two beetle pollinated flowers video which we will see. As you can see in this flower is Ipomea aquatica. It is water aquatic flower, but aquatic plant, but flowers are entomophilous. So you can see the one beetle gone inside in search of pollen grains, and when it will come back, it will also bring some pollen grains which will be deposited in another flower, while this same beetle will go in search of pollen grains in another flower.
घर चलाओ घर
Here we can say another video. In this, a very beautiful beetle is collecting or eating pollen from a flower. This is a wheat flower. We can see usually this flower is from Compositae family, and the beetle is eating the pollen grains, and also some pollen grains are getting attached its mouth part, and it will be deposited in stigma of another flower.